Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit 0. I'm joined by D55.
Sinandamane Pirates, Sinandamane Pirates, expecting Orlando Pirates to win the league. Yeah, it's like expecting a man to give birth. Yes, this season. Yeah, I'm a daughter. Yeah, so Zana Bantuan. Yeah, no God. Yeah, this season. How's it feeling? From a twins, commenting on my pop. But we shall get this quite to get it us. Hasn't found no one. Found another by a VIP. This is my identity. Everywhere. Namusha. I'm shining Ricalia. Sure. Things to celebrate. Maranese, I think it's she. I never stay sharp. Yeah. But I can't talk about Orlando Pirates because there's no point. No point. People have points to talk about Orlando Pirates. Yes. Malume. It's number one. Malume, imagine this lifting the trophy and Sapupi manje sending money life is this and lift the trophy. Yeah, he bet way the best defender in South Africa. CDC Bodlela Orlando Pirates. It's giving me joy, always. It's giving me joy
and happiness.
Bona, Nandi. Sure. I would like to thank
who, my brother?
Another important person in my life. My wife, Young Chol. Yeah. She's been supporting me throughout. Relax. He's private. I'm sorry, Cho. Yeah, boy, that's why. It's young lad, Cho. I'm not going to travel. Young Begazell, I'm foot. Tandy Paul, a prior, I'm told. I'm told, I'm foot. Paul, I'm foot. Young support, yeah, so it's Yambo, I'm foot, yeah. Coming back to the game. No, I'm one nigga. At least you want to show. That's Orlando Pirates has made history prime. The first team in South Africa. We had a trophy 3 in 3 seasons. Grand Land. Sure. 2024, 2025, 2026. Swing number trophy 3. So that's Orlando Pirates for you.
9 trophies.
That's Orlando Pirates for you.
9 trophies.
Coach Wadu.
Yes.
Ufi about here. What? Relax. Relax. Out here and get a nice skill. So get a nice skill. Yeah. To me, you
studied it.
Wadu. Wait. Prega.
Treble first season.
Lana wanje ngikutshela ngezinto.
Treble first season.
Ngikutshela ngezinto. Orlando Pirates
God.
has made history.
Yes.
The first team in South African football. Siwine iBetway.
Yes.
Ngabafowethu abakhulu.
Yes.
Siwine iTTC. Ngabafana abancane.
Cabang.
Ngitshele futhi.
Who has done that in the history?
Ngitshele
Has Sundowns done that? Has Sundowns done that? Has Chiefs done that?
Hortman ejo kutla monate kutla monate mara chumara wa bona kutla monate bona
Ayo fail ke design for basatsi
kutla monate banka ferile jo banka ferile Hortman bona
shaba different
Orlando Pirates ngiyabonga Orlando Pirates for making history in South African football. There is no team that is bigger than Orlando Pirates. Take nothing away from Mamelodi Sundowns. They've given us a beautiful football. They are playing. They are the best team. But after Orlando Pirates,
I agree.
thina sizakuqala bona basemva kwethu.
Yes, I agree.
Bengifanele usisi Jessica no Mr Mtaung but bakhona la samo la.
They are celebrating.
Hortman kenyaka la te kapula ya mokoko wa bona mokoko wa motsela mokoko
o ba kae yone
kom ra boat baby ko ntle le bula boat mo la modimo mola ona nthola mokoko ya nthola
o tlo ba kae yone
kenyaka ka ya ses Jessica umfonetsi khona beka hlele ngala ema VIP mina bengihlele ngali
I'll take it to her.
uyangithola
I'll take it to her.
so ngifuna ukufa uMr No.
This will be the trophy for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Asibaphakemise.
Good luck for you guys. And then safe travel to the World Cup. I think I'm score for food. You saw any package for food.
No.
I know flow.
So this is Kaizer period.
Parachutes. The best supporters in South African football. Orlando Pirates. Betway, dlala 30 games. Orlando Pirates igcwalise i-stadium ka-15. So it is a half a season. It's another history. Sold out. And then bona.
Excluding side.
Yazi thing yenzeni. It's a future. Let me tell you the future. Yazi kuzoyenzakalani. Coming the awards, PSL awards. Orlando Pirates is going to take a goalkeeper of the season, coach of the season, player of the season, players of players, defender of the season, goal of the season,
everything of the season.
Abakhulume. I'll check your comments. Comment below. And subscribe to the channel. P55. Signing out.